How to multi-snap on Snapchat. If any day any of you are a Snapchat user and you would like to do multiple snap on the Snapchat but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch Snapchat on your mobile device. You have to find the very Snapchat application on your mobile device, and after you find it, you have to tap on that. Now, after you tap on Snapchat, Snapchat will be launched on your mobile device. Now, in order to do the multiple just kind of snaps on your very Snapchat, you have to go to the plus like icon on the top and then go to the option of the director mode. Now, after you go to the option of the director mode, now what you can do is which is one snap, and like this you can create multiple snap on the Snapchat, and after you create the multiple kind of Snapchat on your very Snapchat, you can create multiple snaps and you can just send it as well. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.